Hi, I'm John Colley, and I just want to tell you a little bit in 2 minutes about my ultimate online course creation cheat sheet. So let me ask you a question. Do you love a good cheat sheet? Well, I certainly do. And so leading on from that, would you like some free training to help you create, promote and profit from online courses? Because that's something I spend a lot of time doing, and I really want to share this information with you. Now, I found I had no fewer than 8 cheat sheets covering online course creation, publication and sales. So I thought it'd be amazing to put them all together into one little ebook so that you didn't have to download it 8 times and you got a pack of really helpful information. So these are the exact steps, strategies, tactics, tips, tricks, everything you want to know that I've used to go from 0 to over 60,000 students and growing. And if I can do it, you can certainly do it too. So if you get this little ebook, you will discover my course design strategy, my course blueprint checklist, my course topic selection tactics, competitive course evaluation strategies to work out who's competing against you, how to create amazing course descriptions, my course launch checklist, my Udemy SEO optimization checklist, and some great advice on how to get more sales. So how do you get this? Well, this is completely free. All you have to do is jump over to this page to get your copy today. jbdcolley.com/your cheat sheet. That's it. Don't miss the opportunity. Grab it now while you're thinking about it. jbdcolley.com/your cheat sheet and get your copy of my ultimate online course creation cheat sheet today.